Hi friend, I welcome you to my channel IKETECH. My name is Isaac, and in this channel I do tutorials on YouTube tutorials. I do YouTube tips. I do VPN settings for free internet. I do WhatsApp tips and tricks, Facebook tutorials, Facebook tips and tricks, and a whole lot of things that I do. I also do how to make money online, reviewing apps, and a whole lot of things. So if you're looking for this content, this is the right place for you to be. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment. I reply all comments. If you don't understand anything, if I post any video that you have any comment, just look down the description. My personal links are there. You can contact me and I'll reply you. You can also contact me for business. All my contacts are in the description. For better content, I will say IKETECH will give you all this content that you need. So please subscribe to my channel so that you're able to get more information from this channel. See you. I hope you will stay with me. God bless you. Bye bye.